Oh yes, please.
Candy cane.
I love Grießbrot.
Breakfast of champions.
In my mind there is a home covered in white under the moonlight, nestled deep in winter's cold.
So Jens, what's for dinner?
So today we are making a gingerbread house.
I can't afford to buy a house, so we can make one.
A little tiny London house.
And a tiny London house, decorate it how we want, and then eat afterwards.
We got all the ingredients ready, and yeah, let's get started.
Jens is our newest recruit here at the Test Kitchen.
Yes.
And I've heard, allegedly, he's a dab hand at making gingerbread houses.
So we're going to start with melting the butter, just slightly. We don't want to bring it to a boil. And then, when the butter is nice and warm, we're going to add all of our other ingredients, like the light brown sugar, golden syrup, black treacle, water, all of our spices, which are cinnamon, ground ginger, cloves, and a bit of salt.
Cloves.
Cloves. Cloves. Cloves. Cloves.
I think this is nearly ready. So Jens, what's the next step?
So yes, now we're adding all of our other ingredients, and then we bring it to a boil, basically.
Okay. So what's this?
This is the light brown sugar, which goes in.
Oh my God, I love jelly tots.
Then we have the golden syrup.
Smells good already. Anything that starts with melted butter, it's never a bad thing. Did you make this as a child? Because I mean, I'm one of three, and my mum, I think she would have found it too stressful to make them. So even though I know of them, and obviously I partly grew up in Germany as well, we never actually made one in my house. Did you make them at yours?
We also never made gingerbread houses. What we did is we did loads and loads of cookies. And now we're gonna add the water.
Yeah.
And yeah, I loved cookies growing up for Christmas.
Me too. Okay.
Now we get in the spices, cinnamon. Then we have the ground ginger.
Oh my God.
You can smell it
so
already.
Good.
Then we have the cloves and the salt.
Lovely. What other spices could you use?
You can use any spices, whatever you want. Mixed spices, all spices.
So you could use like what we would have in the UK, mixed spices?
Yeah, definitely.
Or if you were in the US, pumpkin spice.
Oh yes, definitely. Yeah. That would be amazing, actually.
Yeah.
And then we bring it back to a boil.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the bicarbonate of soda in here.
Yes,
right?
please.
Oh my God, this is exciting.
I'm going to do it very slowly so you don't burn yourself. Right?
Yeah, go. Oh, I see, so it's starting to lighten. So bicarbonate of soda is an alkaline, and the brown sugar and the treacle, they're all acids, and so therefore you get this reaction going on. It's all bubbly and yeah.
The smell is fantastic.
Yeah.
Very Christmassy.
Very Christmassy. So this now is going to rest. We're going to put this in the fridge. So you do need to start a day before. Is that correct?
Yes.
So this has to be chilled. Has to be. We can't. If we were to pour this onto the flour when it's hot, the flour will cook, and we don't want that. So this is going to be chilled overnight. But in true fashion, we have one that we made yesterday. So Jens, do you want to?
Yes.
Say what happens next?
So now we cool this down overnight, and basically it's very easy. We're just gonna take our plain flour and we're just gonna add this into our syrup, and that's it. And then we give it a good mix, not too long.
For you?
Yes, please. Not too long, just until it's a nice...
And that's just plain flour?
That's just plain flour, yes. Just until it's a nice creamy sort of consistency.
Do you trust me?
Yes, please, but very slowly.
So we don't want to overwork this dough, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, in general, you never want to overwork a dough, right? Because it becomes tough and brittle, and we don't want that. Oh my God, cool machines. It's all right. Come on, you can do it. So this is looking good. So it's a nice tacky dough. It feels a bit like plasticine. Feels great. Check that it's tasty, which it is. Oh my god.
Just gonna take a little flour.
Yeah. Okay, you can do the rolling. Okay, let me touch the dough. I like touching the dough.
Work it.
Okay, so this has come together. Okay, I'm not overworking it, just until it's together, like this. We're gonna wrap this up, and then we're gonna leave this for a few hours. You can leave it up to overnight, but we're gonna leave it just for a few hours, just to firm up so that we can roll it.
Yes.
Again, we have been organized, and we do have a dough that we made the day before.
All right, here we got the chilled dough.
Nice. It's darkened slightly, right?
Yes, it's getting a little darker, and it's nice and firm, perfect for rolling.
Nice.
That's what we're doing next.
That's what we want.
So we just roll it to about 4 to 5 millimeter thick, and we don't want to use too much flour on the top. It just gets very gray when you bake the flour, and you see the flour after baking. So always the top bit always nice and clean. Just roll and turn, and roll and turn.
But it feels very nice.
Yes.
I mean, I think this is a very forgiving dough. Great for little ones who want to help.
And you definitely can re-roll this a few times.
Great. Can I pass you a template?
Yes, this looks perfect.
So let's cut out which part of the house? The front?
Yeah, let's start with the front bit.
This is like grand designs. And you said you can re-roll as many times.
You can re-roll it.
I mean, to be honest, the more you re-roll, the tougher obviously it will become. But again, it's okay. People are just going to eat the sweets off the house anyway, right?
And then we can just lift it up very, very carefully.
Could you use like a spatula maybe?
Yes, you can. It's much easier with a spatula, actually.
I didn't want to say, but yeah.
But we are, yes.
Lovely.
Awesome.
And how many, so just one more piece on there. Obviously you want to bake the larger pieces together, and then any smaller bits together, because they have a different baking time.
Exactly.
Right?
So the bigger pieces, probably like 10 to 12, 13 minutes, just until the edges are turning slightly darker.
Okay.
All right, and we got the back side as well.
Yeah? Can I put
that
in
looks
both?
perfect.
Or just one?
Just one. Or you can put it in both if you want.
I want both. Don't judge my cutting skills.
That looks good.
This is like a panoramic
view. Oh, yes.
Okay, so let's get this in the oven. Okay, so 200 degrees. 200
degrees, 10 to 12 minutes, just until the edges are starting to darken.
While that's in the oven, we're going to get on and cut out the rest of the pieces of our house. And then all that's left after everything is baked and cooled is to assemble. So this is royal icing that we've used for all the decorative work. You can make it yourself. There will be a link to the recipe below. If not, you can also just buy it in sort of ready-made tubs in the shops. Here we go. This is our finished house. Stroke hut. All right, Yella, let's go. Come on.
Oh, coming.
Oh, yeah.
Ladies.
Look.
Wow.
Thoughts?
So, okay, how do we do this?
Okay, so we've got royal icing here.
Got our piping bags.
Oh, it's like henna.
Yes, but not.
Push
Just
on the bag.
So this is the glue?
This is the glue.
This is the glue.
Oh my god.
Should we do the roof?
All right,
one side should go
One side classy, one side
I'm putting
trashy.
this here.
Okay.
I'll do the trashy side.
She'll do the
I'll
trashy.
side. Where's the gold?
Although I don't have enough gold.
Give me the gold.
You have
the
it.
red velvet.
Not enough for this one. I'm just gonna make sure that these are still okay.
Yes.
I have it playing to
squeeze.
the liquid
Right?
all sorts.
That looks nice.
Oh, you didn't say that about my side.
It looks.
No, don't take it away. No, don't touch. Oh, we didn't use any of this.
I'm
Maybe
just
I'll eat
making
this.
it shiny. Oh yes.
I can't watch.
Why?
I think leave it.
No,
Leave
we're
it,
not done.
enough.
We're not done.
Oh well.
Enough.
Next year.
Too much.
It looks awful.
Wow. This is so great. There she is.
Hey, where's everyone else?
Hello? Hello? Guys.
Ta-da! Covers up a multitude of sins. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe on our YouTube channel and Food 52. Next week, Noor and Yotam will be making celebration rice on Food 52. That's it. Bye. Merry Christmas.
It's not Christmas.
If it is, oh no, it's not Christmas.
Well, you know, it's like the whole month is Christmas.
Fine.
Yeah, right. Whatever.
Bye.
Okay, yeah.
Do I need to do that again? It felt a bit.